Hi everyone, my name is Steph. Today I present to you the company Maono. I want to say thanks to Maono to send me this item to be reviewed. It's a dual transmitter wireless microphone. So let's look at the box. Like always, you can see in the front Maono. The box is black and orange. That's going to be the color of Maono. On the side, it tells you what exactly you have inside the box, in the back, and on the other side. Let's open it. You can see the boxes. Again, a nice box. Really, here you have the manual user, and voila, those two transmitter and one receiver. The model we're trying is WM820-A2. I don't know if you can see it. Let me take this guy here. Look at that. You have a lot of chrome here, and this is flat black. It's really nice. It's small. It can fit inside your hand. Okay, those receiver, they're good for 164 feet. And let's look a little bit more. They give you a microphone lavalier. This is nice. They gave you the cable for the audio and the microphone, and they gave you a USB-C for charging those three items at the same time. They're good for 6 hours straight. When it's time to open it, let me show you. You have 3 buttons here. Let me put it the right way here. Voila. So we press. I just want to show you. 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Et voila. The green light is open, but now it's flashing to tell me you don't have any transmitter. So wait, I'm going to take a transmitter. I'm going to do the same thing. You have your 3 buttons here. 1, 2, 3. Et voila. Let me do it again. 1, 2, 3. Et voila. So now you can see 3 of them, they're no flashing. So all of them, they are paired. So now they're ready to go now. Okay, so let's talk about the transmitter. On the side, here you already have a built-in microphone, those 2 transmitter, and here you have the volume up and down, and this guy here in the middle is for press mute. In the back, when it's time to be charged. Those transmitter, they all the same thing, same microphone. And here you have your button on and off and the volume too. This guy here in the front, you're going to see one side is going to be for the headphone, and on the other side for the microphone. In the back you have clip on 3 of them. Okay, you can see on the front you have those 2 output, one for the headphone and the other one for the line, if you want to install it on the camera or on the cell phone, or if you want on the audio sound system audio. In the back you have your clamp, small clamp, 3 of them. So for now, what exactly we're going to do, we're going to do 2 tests. One with the microphone built inside, and the second test is going to be with the lavalier. So let's try it now. Okay, so inside this box, let me show you exactly what we have. You have those, wait, I just want to show you if I can. This is like a clip. So you just clip it on the microphone, not on microphone, but each side of the microphone. You can clip those bad hair if you want. You can clip on directly. Let me show you, that's going to be easier. Here you have 2 how to say that, 2 holes. So you just take your clip and you just, give me a sec. And voila, it's on. Yeah, I know this guy have a bad hair. So your lavalier, they gave you 3 filters and another lavalier. So you have 2 lavalier, 3 filter, and now we're going to try it. Okay, let's do a test with the wind filter. 1212. The microphone is roughly 8 inches in front of me. Roughly. This is a transmitter, and the receiver is plugged on my cell phone, my Samsung cell phone. And this kit is not for Apple, only for cell phone Android, or if you want a camera or a sound system. Okay, now let's do the test with the microphone lavalier. Take it out. I'm just going to turn it off first. Look at that. But they think about oh, sorry, my microphone. What exactly I'm going to do, I'm going to put it on my shirt, my t-shirt. I'm going to use the clip, et voila. Look at that, the Velcro. The Maono think about almost everything, but not almost, they think about everything. Support this is a Velcro wrote support at maono.com. Et voila, this is for when it's time to attach the cable. Okay, I hope you like my voice. I don't know how it sound. 1 2 1 2. Those guys, they already have a wind filter on it. I hope my voice is perfect. And you know something? And this is going to be that's going to be the test sound. Let's finish this video with this microphone on me. I hope you like this video about this kit Maono WM820. Don't forget to this video, don't forget to thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. And see you in another one.